Loews Royal Pacific, room 1212, Tower 1. We're going to go in and have a look at our nice room. Go, go, go. Go now. Okay, and you, Lace.
Why is the floor so freezing? So guys, Lily, let's just I'm a minion. I want to watch this today.
You want to watch that today?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a nice posh room.
By the way guys, this is our first night and we've never been in this room. There's purple flowers for cheerleading.
And we've got a partial pool view, which is cool. Didn't expect that.
Lily, can me and you sleep on this bed? I want to sleep on that bed. Yeah, we can sleep on that bed.
There's a hive of activity down there in the pool.
Mum, well, I want to watch that today.
This is a lovely room.
Mum and Dad, you sleep on here.
Carpeted
Me and
floors.
Daddy are sleeping on here.
A desk. So should we have a quick tour?
Yeah, let's do a room tour.
I'm just going to mute the minions.
Pause it.
Okay, so we're in our room 1212, and this is it a standard room, Katie?
Yeah.
Standard room.
No!
Ah! Scared me.
See the bathroom?
Yeah.
Really?
There are slides. Let go, Lace. Slides. It's a sliding door.
Guys, I'm on the toilet.
No, you're not, you mouse. So we have a nice double wardrobe with an iron safe. Ironing board, coat hangers, storage galore. Lovely bathroom.
Got a
A
hairdryer.
sink,
No, I'm exposed.
hairdryer, mirror, nice vanity mirror,
I got a hairdryer.
cleaning products. Then you got a nice wicked sliding door for your toilet, which then leads into a walk-in shower kind of. Cool.
Wooden.
Go in. That's a cool shower.
I'm singing in the shower.
Toilet. Let's close that on now. And then we come into the bedroom.
Excuse me, I'm reversing.
Into the bedroom. Ah! So we got a big TV,
With minions.
lots of storage space. And we got a fridge. Is there a fridge in the middle?
Yep.
Yep, fridge. Some condiments. There's a coffee maker, Katie. Woo!
A bin.
A bin.
And
A fridge.
fridge. Nothing.
And then some more storage drawers, which is good, handy.
Do that bit again.
And then we've got a
Where's he going?
king size bed times 2.
I'm not fit.
We've got some headlights,
Dad, just stay there.
telephone.
Stay there. Stay
Oh, you got 2 plugs and 1 USB. That's handy.
This is fake. It don't work. It's fake. Wait.
Any more outlets?
And guys, we have a fake treasure
Yep,
chest.
so you got 3 plugs.
This actually
That's
isn't a real
5,
treasure chest, guys.
6,
One USB.
2 USBs.
Guys, this is a fake treasure
So 6
chest.
bucks, 2 USBs. That's quite good.
Guys, this is a fake treasure chest.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
We've
It's got some lamps for some extra lighting, which is nice.
got a bed. Dad,
Bed.
Dad, you have to come and check in here
Just
again.
turn these on.
Lily, shut this. Dad, you come
Oh,
and
smart.
Come in here.
That's nice. And yeah, so yeah, it's very nice. Got a little reading chair.
Which I'm going to be using if we want more reading books.
You've got some lights and spotlights. So yeah, it's very well lit.
I think you missed something in the cupboard. Maybe go check that again.
We've got a chest, which I think might be storage.
It doesn't open.
Uh,
Check the cupboard again.
so yeah, yeah, I like it.
Then we got this.
Oh, another drawer. Just calm down. So yeah, that's the room.
Maybe check the cupboard again. Let's see the cupboard.
Oh, 2 more sockets. So we've got about 10 sockets in total. Ah, you scared me.
everyone. So that.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. So that concludes our tour. Bye.
See you later.
See you later, alligator. And
In a wild crocodile. Bye, minions.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.